안녕하세요. 저희는 알리익스프레스와 아마존 제품을 소개하고 추천하는 채널입니다. 매주 LA 시간으로 화요일, 목요일, 토요일에 동영상을 업로드하려고 합니다. 많은 관심과 구독 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.
Very nice filter kit for it, so we can attach filters to this lens. That's a huge plus. So that leaves 2 spots left. Who's going to be runner-up and who's going to hit the #1 spot? Drum roll, please. Coming in at number 2 is going to be the Moondog Labs Anamorphic Lens. This is one of my favorite lenses. I've used this lens for the last 2 years. I bought the original lens and I used the original lens in this testing. Keep in mind that Moondog Labs has just updated their anamorphic lens, but I did contact Moondog Labs and they did not change the optical glass in their new update. They just redesigned the housing and redesigned the attachment system. So the new attachment system is a 12.5mm threaded base, and they still do offer a universal 37mm threaded base, but the housing has been updated. Optically, they're the same though. This is going to be on the expensive side, $210 if you buy the filter adapter for this lens. The lens itself is $175, but if you buy the filter kit for it, you're going to spend $210 on this lens, so it's on the expensive side. But it does have universal compatibility with if you get the 37mm threaded base. I've had zero issues mounting this in every video cage that I've tested it on with no vignetting, no issues whatsoever. So this lens has about the best universal capability you can with every phone on the market. Number one, guys, which might not be a surprise to you if you've been following my channel, is the newly released Ulanzi Anamorphic. Ulanzi slammed the ball out of the park with this lens. Video performance-wise, there was a couple of hard hits, but a couple of big wins. All these lenses distort, but Ulanzi distorted just a little bit more than the other four lenses. But it had really good low light performance right behind the sandbar. It had really good flare. I think it was number 3 in the flare department. It has very good focus pull on it. It has very good bokeh. So overall video performance was very good. But what really makes this lens stand out among all these other lenses here is the price. I've had people report to me that